Derek Donnelly, local artist here in St. Petersburg, Florida, here at the You Are Beautiful Community Mural Project. It's a collaboration between Public Art Project and the You Are Beautiful Project by Matthew Hoffman. Trying to get one of these in every single state, and this is the only one in Florida. This is all about, acceptance and accepting one another and sending a positive message throughout the community to one another. So we in St. Pete, as residents and artists, couldn't be happier to host this wonderful project here. I think what makes something like this so unique and important for our community is that the pure sense of the ownership that everyone can have in it. It being, a community mural project like this and not geared towards just one age group or one demographic, and it's really just for everybody, that in turn will make this one of the biggest, most impactful murals that we have for this year's festivals.